Hey there, gamers and hard workers. Today, I am so excited to introduce to you the 2023 new computer gaming office chair with lumbar support and flip-up armrest wheels. This chair is an absolute game changer when it comes to comfort and support, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the ergonomic design of this chair. The backrest is specifically designed to provide excellent support for your neck, back, and waist, reducing stress and fatigue from prolonged sitting. This means you can say goodbye to those pesky aches and pains from sitting in your chair all day long. Not only is this chair comfortable, but it is also made of high-quality materials. The PU leather and high elasticity foam cushion are soft and durable, with a lined texture finish that adds a touch of style. Plus, the 1.8 mm thick steel frame and 363 degrees rotating roller base ensure stability and easy movement, supporting up to 250 pounds. One of the best things about this chair is its adjustable design. You can easily adjust the height and inclination of the chair back, and even flip the armrest to support your arms at all angles. This makes it perfect for gaming, working, watching movies, or simply relaxing in comfort. And the best part? This chair is incredibly easy to assemble, with all screws, tools, and detailed instructions included in the packaging. You can have it set up and ready to go in just over 10 minutes, no hassle required. So, if you're ready to upgrade your gaming or work setup with a chair that offers superior comfort, support, and style, then I highly recommend checking out the 2023 new computer gaming office chair with lumbar support and flip-up armrest wheels. You can find the link to purchase this incredible chair in the description below. Don't wait any longer to elevate your comfort and productivity. Click the link and get your hands on this amazing chair today. Your body will thank you.